What does Joe Rogan use for sleep apnea? If you're curious about how Joe Rogan, the popular podcast host and UFC commentator, manages his sleep apnea, you're in the right place. Let's explore the details of his journey and the solutions he's found. Joe Rogan has been very open about his struggles with sleep apnea and snoring, conditions that can significantly impact sleep quality and overall health. After trying various treatments, Rogan found relief using a custom-designed mouthpiece created by Dr. Ryan Karopian. This mouthpiece, often referred to as the full breath solution or SnoreRx Plus, is specifically designed to keep the airway open during sleep. It works by gently repositioning the jaw and tongue, ensuring that the airway remains clear and unobstructed. This approach is different from traditional CPAP machines, which Rogan found less comfortable. Rogan's experience with this mouthpiece has been highly positive. He credits it with making a significant difference in his sleep quality, reducing his snoring, and minimizing sleep apnea symptoms. In fact, he mentions that without the mouthpiece, he would snore loudly, but with it, he doesn't snore at all. In addition to the mouthpiece, Rogan emphasizes the importance of a comprehensive approach to managing sleep apnea. This includes regular exercise, such as strength training, cardio workouts, Brazilian jiu-jitsu, and kickboxing. These activities help regulate his circadian rhythm and promote deeper sleep. Rogan also follows a nutrient-dense diet, consuming lean proteins, vegetables, and healthy fats, while limiting processed foods and sugars. He takes specific supplements like magnesium for muscle relaxation, melatonin to regulate sleep patterns, and CBD oil for stress reduction. Maintaining a consistent sleep schedule is another key aspect of Rogan's strategy. He aims to go to bed and wake up at similar times each day, creating a dark, cool sleeping environment with blackout curtains and a bedroom temperature around 65 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 degrees Celsius. Before bed, he engages in relaxing activities like reading or meditation and avoids screens for at least an hour to reduce blue light exposure. Rogan's journey highlights the importance of personalized solutions for sleep disorders. While the custom mouthpiece has been a game changer for him, it's essential to consult a healthcare professional to find the right treatment plan for individual needs. This could include other options like CPAP machines or lifestyle changes. By sharing his experience, Rogan has raised awareness about sleep health issues and encouraged others to seek help for their own sleep problems. His approach demonstrates that effective solutions exist for managing sleep apnea and improving overall well-being.